Sait, and you're watching me on Femina.in. Well, at first it was surreal. She is definitely one of the world's greatest style icons. She's been an incredible mom. She's been a public personality. She has been known for what a large heart she had. And the fact that during her life, she gave so much back to the world. And I think, isn't that what every single one of us should do? Aspire in our own little ways to give back to the world that we live in. Less is more. I mean, I understand with this wig, it's not really less is more for me. But if I were her, and wow, that would have been an honor to be a soul in her body. But I think she defined less is more. You know, there wasn't too much going on. It was about the fabrics. It was about her own personality. And I think she defined fashion in that sense. She only wore clothes that made her comfortable. And most importantly, I think it was about how she never really played the game by the rules. I think that's what got my attention. Or the black outfit. I wish we had a black outfit, but I think her in her perfectly suave, out of the box suit looks, which were like formal yet not formal, I thought that was something that kind of stuck with me. And imagine to, like, you know, for this particular shoot to wear like the highest end of fashion and just feel like, yeah, babe, I own this. I think it's great. At first I was like, wow, am I so lucky? Really? And I think when I was younger, I saw my mom wear brown lipstick and I aspired to one day grow up and wear brown. So I think this is pretty cool. Like Lady Di wore brown lipstick, and today I get to wear brown lipstick all over again. Because I think now, over a period of time, I've just grown to wear a lot of nudes and a lot of flush cheeks. And to actually go out of your own personality and embody someone else's personality without really mimicking them, I think that was the idea of this shoot. And we hit the nail on the head.